p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of South Gasly to 11 miles north of Spartanburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor
That
hail
was
damage.
guaranteed to happen.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sharon, Hickory Grove, Smyrna, Cherokee Falls, Draytonville, Sarrett, Kings Creek, Sicketty, Blacksburg, and Kings Mountain State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York.
How about that?
A severe thunderstorm warning
That was inevitable.
until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight.